What's going on, everyone? So in this lesson, we're actually going to be getting started with creating our blog on Blogger. But before you get started with actually creating your blog, you're going to want to come up with a topic that is that you're really interested in. So you're going to have endless amounts of content in the long run and be able to write about that topic for a while. If you choose something chasing money or something you're not really interested in, you're going to run out of content pretty quickly, and that's going to be an issue. And to get started, we're going to be using Blogger because it has a bunch of cool aspects to it. It's going to let you design your blog how you like it. It's also going to let you get a free domain through Blogger or connect a custom domain for free. It's going to allow you to use Google AdSense to earn money on your blog. And it's also going to give you statistics on visitors on your website, where they're at, what pages they're visiting and whatnot, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And I just think it's a good option for beginners because it's cheap, it's free, and it's actually very powerful. It's going to allow you to host your website and whatnot. So to get started, you're going to want to sign in, and you're going to sign in with a Google account. So go ahead and do that. I've already done that on this tab. And it's going to bring you to create a new blog where you're going to create the title of your blog. So I'm going to name mine Skillshare course, and I'm going to push next, and this is going to be your domain, but we're going to add a custom domain later so it looks a lot more professional, so don't worry too much about this Blogspot domain right now. So I'm just going to use Skillshare course, and that is available, so I'm going to push next. The display name for your Blogger profile, you can just use your name or like a website name. It doesn't really matter too much. So I'm going to use Skillshare teacher, and I'm going to push finish. And that's going to create your blog. So here we can see, I'm going to exit out of this and this. So we have no posts right now. Here's our stats. We have no stats available yet. There's comments that your readers can leave. Here's your earnings tab for your Google AdSense. You can create new pages for your website or your blog. Here's the layout of it. Here you can change the theme. And then here's a bunch of different settings that we're going to get into in future videos. So yeah, we've created our blog. And in the next videos, we're actually going to be importing a theme so it looks more professional, as well as customizing that theme to our liking, writing a few sample articles so you can see how that works, looking at AdSense, looking at adding a custom domain and whatnot. So we have a lot of work to do, but we've gotten our blog up and running and we're ready to start customizing. So stay tuned. Thank you, everyone.